What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm going up in an airplane. I'm gonna fly it for a little bit. But if anything goes wrong, we have parachutes.
You're trying to kill me before you die, is that it?
No, I actually... Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to one more episode here in Molives TV. Another day, another adventure. You know, sometimes you gotta switch it up, you know what I'm saying? You know, I could be a cordial guy, you know? I've been through a few flight attendant interviews, you know? I could turn it on, I could turn the businessman, CEO Molives hat on in a little bit, you know? Crazy, crazy stuff just went down. Let me tell you, let me catch you up to speed because it's been wild. So we just worked from Orange County to Phoenix, and apparently was an unattended car out here at the Phoenix airport, and then there was also like a bomb threat. They're saying they found some device or something. I don't know what's going on. We're still trying to talk to everyone on the ground here, but we're still working one more flight to El Paso. So apparently it's beneficial for all the planes that are on the ground here just to go to their destination and not bring anyone, which is tough. Like, people need pretzels. How are they gonna get pretzels if Molives can't give them pretzels? I actually had this dude hit me up last time I was in El Paso. He sent me a DM on Instagram and he's like, yo, Molives, next time you're in El Paso, hit me up because I fly glider planes and I can bring you to fly in a glider plane. And I was like, bro, no way, actually. So I just sent him a message, so hopefully he hits me back. Yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on today. If you guys are not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash a like on this video, guys. If we get 3 likes on this video, then I'm gonna sneeze. Wow, guys, that was quick. Thank you very much. And let's have a day, baby. Where do you go? Where do you want the picture?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
You're the one that takes pictures. What do I
do? You're doing great. You're doing a great job. All right, you want to introduce yourself to 10 million people?
No.
What do you mean no? All right, she wants me to take pictures of her. I'm like, yo, I got you. I'm not gonna lie, she took a few pictures of me. So Karuna, here we go. Photo shoot time. Okay. Action. Oh, so here we go, guys. We are officially leaving, and we're taking this fly with us. Sorry, bud, you're coming to El Paso with us. So, no passengers, but we're still flying. This is what's called a family flight. So we literally, we just kind of chill. So we don't do anything. We just arm and disarm our doors. A few hours till we get to El Paso. Woo! So guys, I literally just landed in El Paso. Or, you know, when I'm here, it's all El Snacko, you know what I'm saying? Now my boy Matt, right here, he's in the Air Force. He picked me up and we're driving 90 miles. Who does this stuff, bro? Introduce yourself, 25 million people, bro.
How's it going? Matt Stemler.
Bro, I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know. Guys, this is what a glider plane looks like.
Pretty much a glider is an airplane with no engine. And,
no engine, okay, nice.
Yep.
What?
Give you a little change of pace from all the 737s.
Yeah, exactly, bro. So how does it go?
So pretty much we have a Cessna 152, has a 180 horsepower engine in it, and it tows us up to whatever altitude we want to release from, and we just pop the release and we're soaring.
What?
Yeah.
So another plane holds onto it, and then it lets you go, and then you just fall.
No, we don't.
You
fall.
glide?
Yeah, we glide down. When you live in a really hot and dry state like New Mexico is, there's a bunch of things called thermals. You can stay for hours at a time. So
really?
I just started watching your videos like a month ago, maybe.
Yeah.
Then followed you on Instagram, and I saw your story. What was it, like a few nights ago? You're down here in El Paso, and I was in the parking lot up at work, and I was like, oh shit, he's in El Paso. I was like, should I ask him if he wants to go gliding? And I went back and forth on this for like 10 minutes, and I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna send it. So.
That's sick.
That's what I did.
You never know, you know, that's what I'm saying. I don't know, whoever you're following, just hit them up. I have a lot of like influencer friends, and I would say 90%, like if you have under 1 million, you read pretty much 90% of your DMs, even like the ones that like don't go straight to you, that like they're not following you, they read all of them, like for real. So like, pause this video, hit up your favorite person, and come right back. That's gonna be us.
It's gonna be us.
It's getting towed from the Cessna, and then it just takes off. And then it goes all the way up in the air, and then we fly around. We're gonna saddle up and freaking do this thing, bro. Let's go, baby.
Water?
Yeah, I'll take some. Wait, there's no flight attendants on this plane?
Nope.
What? Oh,
well, actually,
man.
yeah, there is. Yeah.
What? Yo, so this is the. Wow, these are the glider planes, eh?
Yep.
Whoa, look at these wings, bro.
60-foot wingspan.
60-foot wingspan. This is so sick. Wow, look at all these damn buttons in there.
Guess what? You're gonna be flying in the front seat.
Wait, what?
Yep.
So you're telling me I'm sitting right here in the front seat?
Yes.
Bro, there's all these buttons up here. We got, this ain't no video game, bro. This
Nope.
is a real life glider plane. Mom, I honestly don't know what my life is anymore. But you know, sometimes you just gotta get in glider planes and fly planes on layovers and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Bro, this is so crazy. It's like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna take my canoe out for a little, you know, stroll. This guy's got a freaking airplane out here. So we gotta tow it on this golf cart over to
Down to the end of the runway.
down to the end of the runway, and then we're gonna hook it up to a bigger plane. I reckon now's as good a time as any to FaceTime my mother. Hey Babs.
What's up?
Not much. I'm about to fly an airplane without an engine.
I'm very happy. I think this is a perfect idea.
Yeah, I can tell you think it's an amazing idea.
With the perfect stranger, right?
Yeah, perfect stranger. Yeah, this is Matt. We met like an hour ago.
Oh, good. Matt, are you a murderer?
No, I'm good.
He's gonna steal your kidneys.
No, my kidneys are gonna be okay.
You don't have a parachute, right?
No, we actually do have parachutes.
What are you doing, Matthew?
What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm going up in an airplane. I'm gonna fly it for a little bit. But if anything goes wrong, we have parachutes.
You're trying to kill me before you die, is that it?
No, I was gonna call you after, but you know, you already saw it on Instagram, so it's like, you know.
Well, I'm trying to enter the contest because I want to go on a trip. I figure if you live until you get to 10,000, I want to get on the trip.
Yeah, that's true. This is the airplane.
Oh my god, did that guy steal it?
No, he's part of a club, Babs.
And he knows how to fly it? Did you ask for his driver's license?
No, you know, I trust the guy, you know.
Does he have gas in it? Does it have an engine?
Babs, that's the thing. It doesn't have an engine.
How do you fly it?
Oh, you get another airplane to tow you, and then it just lets you go.
Nice knowing you, Matt.
Hey, I mean, we had a good run, you know? We had a pretty good run.
Dude, I think that sounds really, really, really dangerous.
I mean, so isn't crossing the street. We're gonna go up, so I gotta go. But, yeah. I'll hit you
Where
up.
are you?
I don't know.
In case I have to identify a body, where are you?
Alamogordo Airport.
Alamogordo Airport, New Mexico, United States.
I say you gotta do what you gotta do.
That's what I'm saying. I gotta do what I gotta do, and I gotta do this, you know? I gotta fly a plane. Alright. Yo, I'll hit you guys up after, alright? Alright, love you guys, peace. I had to say what up to Babs, you know? She seems really okay with it. She thinks it's gonna be fine. Oh man, yo, shout out to you, Babs. I swear I can give my mom more heart attacks than anything. Sheesh. Whew, those are my homies though.
This right here is our radio.
Yep.
To switch to the weather frequency, you just go one click to the left, one click back to the right to talk. Okay, and that's pretty much it. We'll set this to 42. I'll show you down lock and check really quick. So when we're heading out to the runway, just kind of keep your left arm over here and just kind of support the canopy. That way it keeps some airflow going.
Yeah.
Once we're out there, I'll tell you to go down lock check. All that means is spot your arm, come down, lever forward is locked, and then take 2 fists, or 1 in your case, and just gently push up on the canopy.
Oh, okay.
Yep, and just verify it's locked. Sure, the canopy does not come over. Otherwise, it gets really hot really fast.
Yeah. Bro, this is the craziest thing I've ever done. This is definitely the craziest layover of my entire life, for sure. I'd like to give a shout out to all my day ones. All my day ones. And my new friend here. Thank you. You're the man. You want to say hi to anybody?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom, as well.
We're good.
I don't know if anyone's ever vlogged. I'm sure they vlogged glider plane, right? I don't know. No?
Now we'll go to traffic glider on the street. I'll be descending on 7,000 feet to the left helmet. Runway 22, full stop.
So we are really doing this, baby.
Yeah, all right. Canopy coming down, lock and check.
All right. Down. Lock. Check.
All right, cool. And
All right. Guys, you better smash the like button right now. We're taking off.
'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly.
Guys, this is unreal. This is so sick right now. So we just, what did we gain? Like 1,500 feet? 2,000?
yeah.
Wow. So I'm no paleontologist, but apparently if you find yourself in a thermal and you go in like a circle, you can kind of spiral up to gain altitude, you know, something like that.
Yep.
Something like that. And that's what we just did. We just gained like 2,000 feet. And yeah, you know, we're trying to make the ride last as long as we can. Because, you know, I don't know if you noticed, there's no engines still. And yeah, this is so sick. Fly? Yeah, sure, man. I'll fly the airplane. I don't know how to fly an airplane, but yeah, I'll fly the airplane.
So, look down between your legs, you got
Yep,
the stick.
you got the stick, yep.
So, pretty much, you know, left, right, then nose up is back, and then nose down is forward.
Whoa, baby, whoa.
And push forward a little bit. There you go.
Oh my goodness, I am flying a freaking airplane, dude. Whoop, whoop. Woo.
Want to do a little zero G action?
Bro, 0 G's, let's get it, bro.
I want to hold on to your camera. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh, no way. What? Whoa, bro. If you guys ever wondered what rain looks like from the sky, there it is. That's rain, that's rain. My guy.
Nice.
You. That was nice, bro. Hey guys, look where we're at. Right back where we started. Yes. Woo. Bro, that was so sick. Oh my goodness. Bro, that was unreal.
Dude, we were up for an hour and 10 minutes.
An hour and 10 minutes.
In an airplane with no engine.
In an airplane with no engine, exactly.
Yeah.
There you go.
You.
Oh. So is you lady gonna?
My dude, bro, Matty Ice, bro, the OG,
man.
bro, that was so sick, man.
Yeah.
What? Bro, see, that's what happens, you know, just one little IG post away from, wow.
All you gotta do is say yes.
This, exactly. Holy smokes. Massive shout out to my boy Matt and everyone over at White Sand Soaring Association. You guys are sick. Guys, if you actually want to be able to learn how to fly a glider plane, you can go there and they'll tell you everything. They'll hook it up because they're the homies. Anyways, guys, we're back at the hotel because we still got one more day on our trip today. Who knows what we're gonna do tomorrow, guys? I implore you to do something absolutely crazy. I met this guy literally 5 hours ago, and he took me in a plane. It was sick. You know, I just said, yeah, I'm down, you know?
Okay.
Be down to do crazy stuff, because your life will be a lot better and you'll feel way more amazing. Also, guys, don't forget, I am doing a giveaway on Instagram. Every single picture that I post until I hit 10K, the first 50 comments get entered into the free trip giveaway. So make sure you're following me on IG, turn the post notifications on, and smash the like on this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and you guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button and let's fly, baby.